Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I am showing you how I put together this backdrop. This backdrop is inspired by St. Patrick's Day. So I just went into my inventory and pulled out all the green and the gold that I had, and I put this together. Okay. Up next, I'm going to show you how I put it together. Okay, here I am. Those are crinkled taffeta drapes. That's my base layer. And I'm using the 3-inch valance hangers. And I moved the pole back. I'm only using 2 crossbars. Because I want to create a valance, you always want to make sure the valance lay directly on those uprights. So I'm just loading the drapes on. I have an olive green, a lighter green color, and then I have, I can't think of that other green, that deeper green color. I think it's a hunter green or emerald green. So I'm just measuring, making sure that my colors or my panels are even. I'm pinning the sequin panel in order to do the valance. You can see I am struggling with that. So I went and got 2 safety pins, and I'm about to get ready to pin it into those slots to be able to create the valance hanger and help to hold it for me. I'm securing it with pipe cleaners. Here I am making a pole cover. I think the valance came out really well. I just kept kind of trying to make it even, but I love the way my valance pleated this time. I think the pleats came out really, really good with my valance. Okay, so this is how it look. I'm about to get ready to gather the fabric. I'm starting with the sequin directly in the middle, moving to my olive panel, keeping those panels nice and straight. The olive panel is a polyester, so you definitely want to use your stiffer blends in the middle. So that's why I have it there. So then I have some 2-way stretch. I have the velvet in the green. So I'm just adjusting, loosening up the panel. I had to double up the pipe cleaner. It came apart. I secured it. Working on the velvet. Make sure you are continually stepping back to make sure everything is nice and even and looks balanced. At first, I was going to take those panels to where I have it there, but then later on, I'm going to change my mind about it. I just decided to take it low. I said, okay, why don't I just kind of let this panel drop a lot lower than what I normally do? And so that's what I'm doing there. I'm making my bottom nice and neat. You probably noticed that I only have the sequin mainly showing and that lighter green. The sequin, I don't have to really worry about wrinkles or with that 2-way stretch. So I didn't really want that polyester to show at the bottom because you will see wrinkles. So I'm taking away some of the pipe cleaners so that they're not visible when I put on the sequin napkin. So this is how it turned out. Please let me know what you think of this design. I am not very comfortable with using green with my designs, but I think it came out beautifully. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time, bye and have a happy St. Patrick's Day.